good, but there's tryouts tomorrow.
But I don't think I'm ready. I'm not good enough.
Don't let opportunity slip away from you. We only get one life. And once the moment passes by, you won't get it back. I can think of a few situations where I had to use this advice.
Deciding on college. Career choices. And having a family.
Zoe!
I also felt like I wasn't ready, but you can't let that hold you back.
So remember, make time for every opportunity that comes across.
Thank you, Grandma.